Welcome back to the Roadrunner Scooters YouTube channel. Today we will be showing you how to replace and adjust your electric scooter's suspension. Before we begin, if you find this video helpful, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. Now let's get started. Here are all the tools we'll be using: 55 to 62 mm spanner wrench, 18 and 21 mm axle nut wrench, a set of Allen keys or your multi-tool. You'll also need a sturdy box or a lift table like we have here. This will make things a lot easier. We'll start by removing the nut caps from the wheel and suspension lock nuts. Take your axle nut wrench and unscrew both axle nuts from the right swing arm. If you have a fender installed, please unscrew that too. Now slowly remove the swing arm. Next, take your 4 mm Allen keys and remove this pin from the suspension. Now, in order to remove the suspension pin, you have to unscrew those two Allen screws. Please don't rush this step. Make sure the Allen key is securely in, then put pressure on the screw head and then turn. If you feel it's not nice and snug, then you might need a brand new Allen key. The reason is that a worn out Allen key can slip out of place and continually spin instead of fitting in place, thereby stripping the screw head. So a new one might be your best bet, as it will sit snugly on the head of the screw. Next, take the pin out and remove your shock. Take out your bottom pin as well. Then grab your new shock and install it right back. Please follow the steps in the video. Once the new shock is installed, make sure to tighten those two Allen screws. Next, take your swing arm and put that back on. Now the final part is tightening your wheel and suspension nuts. Also remember to pay attention to the orientation of the washer. The outer washer should face up, while the tab needs to latch on the hole there. Once the slot and washer are well fitted in place, the wheel will not be able to fall out. It's actually a safety mechanism to prevent the motor from dropping off. Here's a quick one: you should check your wheel's alignment before proceeding. Before tightening your lock nuts, make sure the brake pads are not touching the brake disc. That's it. Now let's move on to adjusting your new shock. Grab a 55 to 62 mm spanner wrench and rotate this adjustment ring. Clockwise rotation makes the suspension stiffer, while counterclockwise rotation makes it softer. So adjust the suspension according to your personal preference. If you're a light rider, you might prefer it to be pretty soft, while a heavier rider would most likely want it to be stiffer. We hope you found this video helpful, and if you have any questions, leave them in the comment section. Roadrunnerscooters.com is just a click away when you need replacement parts for your electric scooter. We got all our replacement parts organized according to their scooter model, so you can easily find and purchase the part you need for any scooter. Don't forget to hit the like button and also subscribe to our channel to stay tuned for more tips and tricks from Roadrunner Scooters. See you in our next videos.